Hello guys, it's me, Hasm again. I don't know how I haven't recorded a video in about a few uh, weeks, so yeah, here you go. Playing cat game, and then maybe also some more stuff. Okay, let's grab this and that and this. What do we have in the bank? Yeah, I'm gonna start getting some presents. So I'm gonna start feeding these cats, and also I have been playing a bit off screen. Anyway. Okay, I don't have any of that bread, so let me see if I, oh yeah. Let me see if I have, yeah, they're not selling that bread right now. So I guess I'll just feed it anything else, let's deliver. We're not done that one yet. You know, I'll just do it. Let's just get this. Okay, deliver. Alright, delivered. Now let's deliver this. Take about a minute. Let's feed this guy. Oh, they are selling sandwiches. So I'll buy some of these. Stacked. Okay, let's deliver a cat. I really just want cats. Like seriously, this is they are the reason I just like this game. Okay, sushi. Let's deliver. That was locked. I'm gonna have to. I'll just get some supply. And then I'll feed our cat. There. Okay. Alright. Oh. Let me just get this. Spin the wheel, please don't be two. Wow. Why do I always get 2 logs? This is the only thing I ever get, 2 logs. How come what? How come it's just automatically delivering? A 4. At least it's better than a 2. What? What? Oh. Cool. Spin. 4 again. Yay. I really need to deliver. I don't need supplies anymore. Obtain buying special package. I think I need to be at like level 7 or something. Next. Ooh. Cat. No! I don't care about the supplies that much. I just want the cats. Give me the cat. Yes! Sheddy. That looks more like Perugly, but I already named one of them Perugly. I don't think there's any cat Pokemon I can name this cat. So I'm just gonna think of, I don't know, let's just name it Dingodile. Dingo. Not Dingo. Dingo down. Just dingo down. We reached level 5. Ooh, floating. Ooh. Oh, we unlocked a new floor, didn't we? Not now. See how shiny it is here? This place is home to the most exclusive cats. Open basket. Premium basket give you these anywhere else. You can open a basket with one premium key. Here's one for free. Okay. I want the legendary stuff. Yes! A cat. Ooh! Oh my god! Wow! Okay, what was the name of that dark type cat? I don't remember. So I'm just gonna. Oh, yeah! Flareon. You know, it's not the dark type cat, but I'm just gonna name him Flareon. Done. Okay. Wow. The VIP. View the premium catalog. Wow. Oh my god. Wow. Oh my god. Okay. Alright, we can now go to the shop. Let's go. Here you will be able to buy packages, gems, coins, and more, blah, blah, blah. I can't afford any of these, so I'm gonna skip it. I'm not even gonna use my credit. Oh wait, I don't even have one. Okay, how about we go do the specials again? I still have a key left. Okay. Give me a cat, give me a cat, give me a cat, give me a cat, give me a cat. No, a window. Is that even a window? That's not a window. Okay, VIP lounge. Oh goodness, what is this? Nope, I don't have an iTunes account, just saying. I kinda already deleted one of the iTunes games. Hello! Lodi, seriously? I'm gonna name him Spyro. I know, Spyro's a dragon, but in Crash Bandicoot 4, he was a floaty in the first level. So I'm kinda, yeah. Alright, let's go to craft. Yeah! A whole bunch of these. Go to the shop. Wow. Okay, let's go. We'll go to the shop at some point. Alright, let's help out Spyro here. Ugh, what? Okay, 8 minutes. You know, I think I'll play one of the mini games. I'm better at copycats. Ooh. Boom. Boom, 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 boom. Way out of our endless Saku. Wow. That's a huge. That is one big man. Mayor. I'm gonna have to start popping them apart. Okay, let's just pop him. Let's just pop all of them. Boom. What else? We got this. Cob. Boom. 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 Boom box. Okay. Let's get over there. Script. Okay, why am I so quiet? Seriously? This is so boring and quiet right now. No, I don't think there's any matches left, so I'm just gonna get some more. Okay. The round's over. Okay. A whole bunch of... Am I still recording? Yeah. I kind of just heard some sort of weird noise. It's just kind of, it confused me. Anyway, what else can we deliver? Ooh, another new cot. No, let's feed Flum. There, he's fed. He's fed up. Okay. We already have all the cats in the fancy and the basic room. Except for one in the fancy room. Wow, that's already on the way. What else do we have in the bank? Oh yeah, nothing. Okay, I'm just gonna live with this. I'm not gonna spend 100 coins actually. I don't really need that surprise. Surprise? Why did I say surprise? How many floors are there? Oh my god, 68? That's a lot of floors. You know what? This is gonna be a long series. That is for sure. I'll wait for that one and then I think we'll play something else. Let me check the recording time. 12 minutes, not that long, you know what? We'll just play a different game after that. There. Give me the cat. Cat. Yes, yeah! Smoosh face. Mutton. Okay. Alright. That's enough of that game. Let's, I don't know. Different game. Don't even want to splatter up.
Whoa! Batman!
Slugger special. Ooh. Maybe not now.
Ready?
Maybe off screen.
Tomato!
Yeah! Hooray!
Star power! No!
Quick hitter! Ready?
We got the slugger
No!
Yay!
I'm too close.
Yikes! Looks like...
I don't know how I'm
Ready?
meant to get help here.
Yeah!
But I will after they start making the boots they go zigzag and stuff.
Playing a mess?
Ready?
Don't go zigzag.
Yeah!
Okay, just normal throw.
Yeah! Hooray!
Ooh.
Now that's a double header.
I can't.
Ready?
Alright, I actually understand. Like, some of the jokes I understand. Some of them I don't. But either way, I don't find them annoying.
Yes.
Other, like, am I like
Ready?
like every other character in the game, this the show just hates Orange's joke.
Looks like.
See, it started going zigzag the
Ready?
so I ended up getting them this.
Ow! Don't hit the pineapple.
See, I can't really do that good when it's going
Ready?
zigzaggy.
Yeah!
There, see, I got a better thing.
Yeah! Hooray! Whoa! Whoa! Slice! Ready?
Why is this happening?
Because you asked for it.
Drinks on me.
Get in the squad. Oh, why? I wanted to
Sorry,
get
Bob.
in the present so we can squash
Ready?
him.
I taste delicious.
Spoiler alert.
Ready?
I can fly.
This game doesn't really have a story though, so yeah.
No!
Whoa! Ready?
Don't go zigzag. Okay, it went zigzag, but I still got them either way.
Drinks on me.
Get it into the squash. Yeah. Yeah, boy.
Ew.
That was.
Alright.
Ready?
I hated that.
Hooray!
Oh,
Sorry,
I didn't
bud.
get in the mark sheet.
Ready?
No, don't hit me. Ah!
I hit you, you made me
Oh.
miss.
Well, that's gonna leave.
Ready? Woo!
Also, comment below what is your favorite Annoying Orange episode because it's more of a YouTube series. I know it was on Cartoon Network once, but I never watched it.
Now
And now I
that's a
don't.
double header.
It's either not in my country on Cartoon Network or it just
Ready?
stopped. For some reason. Just. Because Annoying Orange is like 11 years old already.
Yes, you can't elope.
The series, at least, not the
Ready?
Orange himself. We don't know.
Tomato.
I don't know, please. And by the
I
way,
ain't no soup for you.
Marshmallow is a boy. Just so you know that. He's a boy. It's a boy. Seriously. One of the Annoying Orange HFA episode, or the High Fructose Adventures of Annoying Orange. Apple says this. Whose great idea was to give Marshmallow sugar he's already made. Wait, no. Whose great idea
Ready?
was to give Marshmallow soda
Tomato.
he's already made of sugar.
No soup for you.
Like, it's in the episode Doctor Strange Plum. If
Ready?
you watch it, you'll know
No,
the
don't hit
gender.
me. Ah!
And also in the episode,
Oh, let's not do that again.
in the episode
Ready?
where she tries to reveal her gender, but the sprinkler thingy, is unable to say it. She's like, "Bip, bip, 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 bip." So be
Sorry,
boy.
bud.
He's
Ready?
a boy, everybody. But she, I meant he's a boy, not she. It's just every time in my class, my friend keeps saying she's a boy.
bail.
And
Oh,
he's a
I can't-
girl. Like, we play this
Ready?
mystery game where one person talks and there's another person trying to get two talking. My friend always says she's a boy and he's a girl.
Ready?
Stuff like that. I know it's confusing.
You really. Ready?
Okay. Wow. I
Ready?
suck. Well, at least I have
Why
a
is
slip
this
ball.
happening?
And at least I didn't suck there. Boom. Boom.
Whoa! Ready?
Split hitter.
Yeah! Woohoo! Yeah!
That somehow worked. That thing.
Swing and a miss.
Ready? No!
Get in the blender or something. Get in the fan. Wow. Okay, we gotta do electrocution.
sauce, boss.
No sauce,
Ready?
boss. I don't care.
Tomato!
I don't drink applesauce. And also, that was a stupid hit of me. Why did you
I'm
do that?
actually.
Ready?
Let's use our slugger ball here. We only have one, so we gotta get as many as we get as many home runs. Also, I like how when you get one, you're like, the star
Ready?
thingy says the
Oh, my hair
power.
looks so pretty.
Why did I hit that thing so far?
Ooh, close one.
Okay, no thanks. I don't care. Or actually, nobody cares.
Whoa! Batman's here.
Okay. Let me check the recording now. 21 minutes. You know what? Maybe we play like one more game or something. I'm thinking cut the rope. You know what? I'm actually gonna make a separate cut the rope video because it's kind of glitchy. And yeah, it's a separate series. All deliveries received. Yeah, I've received all deliveries. Okay, don't let me just get them. In the beach room. Go get me the cat. Give me a cat. Yeah! I'm a lucky person. Lifeguard. Moonlight. Honestly, I don't know anything. Let's just name him Homer Simpson. No. Get a life. Okay, no, I have no idea what to name this cat right now. So I'm just gonna name him, I don't know. Dude. I'm just gonna name him Guy. No, William. Done. Alright, I'm gonna take this. Okay. Alright. We got all the deliveries. This video is already kind of long, but honestly, most of my videos are a bit longer. So I'm just gonna play Ice Age Adventures. Blue Sky Studio. What is this? By the way, what is this thumbnail? Look at that. Scrap acorn. Chicken. No. Okay.
That was sensational. Count on Sid.
Okay, where do we go now? Thank you. I'm already at full energy. Let's see.
Adventure, here we come. Welcome to Sidtopia.
Sidtopia. Let's spin this. We get shells. Okay, thanks for the shells. Where can we go? Ooh, we can't go there.
Come out, wherever you are.
I'll buy that.
Oh, yeah!
Later. Okay, is there anywhere else we can go? No, I think we cleared out this area.
Oh yeah, this is seaworthy.
Okay. No. Loading. Loading. Also, is anyone just gonna get a PS5 just to get like shorter loading screens and stuff for like I don't know Crash Bandicoot games and stuff? I bet nobody's gonna do that. Wow, why did I was so distracted. Continue. I'm just gonna do that again. That was terrible. Wow, that was terrible. Honestly, it's just a loading screen. I'm gonna skip. Hop to it. Hop to it. Hop to it. What type of gravity is this?
Look out!
Oh.
Run, little guy! Run!
How sick. I did tell you this before, but in case you haven't seen that video, I actually didn't watch all movies. I watched
What's this?
So yeah.
That's it!
Story or anything. So
Who's the sloth?
we need to get over here. Ooh, we can build the bridge. Get a life. Get a jump, sure, whatever. Okay. Not probably not this game. But you know, let me see the map. New snowing.
If mammoths were meant to swim, we'd have gills. Let's find our friends. Off to now that's what I call a win. You're lucky to
You're gonna have to save the world.
This. A bunch of stuff.
Are you crazy? Well, I don't work for peanuts. But I do work for berries.
Ooh, how adventurous!
Let me get some of this. Alright, we can go now.
Land ahoy! I can't get over there till I clear a path.
Bingo! Got a
Rope? Check.
Break all this. Wow. I need more beer.
Set sail for adventure!
Where can I get berries from? Where should I get them berries?
What kind of animal saving operation are we running over here? Let's build this guy a home.
Nothing to see here, folks.
We'll go like this.
We gotta find great. What kind of animal saving operation are we running over here? Let's build this guy a home.
Oh yeah, this is seaworthy.
Land ho!
They ain't that big.
Wow. 420? You gotta be kidding me. Wow. Okay, we're gonna just get this. Wow, this is very
Nice.
We'll need to upgrade the nursery before we can save that baby. Hey, how can I help? Go, Hyrax. Go, Hyrax. Go, go, go.
Okay, now I need to get some more energy.
If mammoths were meant to swim, we'd have gills.
I don't get it. Really. Sorry, no ads are currently available. I don't know what that is. New Snowington. Ooh, Diego. Diego's Island. Sula Sea Cliffs. Rescue all the parents from the previous island to explore. You know, that's all about I can do. I think that's gonna be it. So, like, subscribe, share the video, and all that. And by the way, the Angry Birds plush series I was talking about, that might actually need to be on like February or March, really, because I don't have that many plushes, and January is only in like 2 months, basically, and I don't know if I can make that many in just 2 months, so you might have to wait until like February or March for it. At least March. I wouldn't think April, really. April doesn't feel like it. But anyway, just roll the outro. Enough. What? Alright, let's roll the outro.